right, so we're getting to the end of chapter 5. On page 172, we get to another Que le meilleur gagne. This is episode 5. I think you should be able to find this somewhere on YouTube. At least a few people have actually uploaded these already. So I would do a search and see if you can find this video. Read it along with it, watch it, see if you can hear the different words that you've been learning, and then go ahead and answer all these questions in the As-tu compris? And if you don't understand it, listen to it again, and just try to understand, these are real French people speaking French. So listen to their intonations, listen to their pronunciations, try to read along with it and sound like them. And it can really help your pronunciation and your ability to speak. On the next page, we have the lecture et écriture. Again, you might not understand everything on this page, but go ahead and read through it. See what you can understand, see what you can guess based on the words you do know. And again, it will really help you, excuse me, it will really help you with your understanding of the French language if you try to do this. So read through these and then go over to the compréhension and see what you can answer. Answer these questions en français. If you don't understand one of the questions, look up the words and try to figure out what they're asking. And then go ahead and do the après la lecture and espace écriture. This is to help you start really being able to put together French sentences. And your sentences are starting to get a little more complicated. So look through this, try to write out a little paper, and go ahead and send it to me so I can correct it when you're done. And then at the end, we have the prépare-toi pour l'examen. Go ahead and do these activities, answer these questions, and send them on in to me so I can correct them and help you be ready for the test. On the sides, they tell you which pages to go back to review. So if you're trying to do one of these and it's not really making sense, look at what pages, go back and review it. Find the video I made for these pages and try to make sure that you're really understanding what you're supposed to be doing. And then we also have the résumé for Grammaire 1 et Grammaire 2. Remember how to conjugate faire. Go over these and remember, how do we do, what's the difference between bon and bien, mauvais and mal? How do we make an adverb? Go over these and remember how to do them. Here we have aller and we have venir. Remember how to conjugate these. You can pretty much guarantee that any French exam where you've learned these 3 verbs, you're going to have to conjugate it on the test. So make sure you know how to do that. Remember that venir de plus an infinitive means that something just happened. And then look over here on the lettre et son, S versus SS. The consonant S is pronounced like the sound Z when it is placed between 2 vowels. To keep this sound, we need to have 2 S's, which is very similar to English, right? The difference between desert and dessert is 2 S's. One makes Z and one makes S. So look for that when you're learning the French vocab.